I worship you. You are here, working in this place. I worship you. I worship you. Hey, waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. You are.
Last chapter of the book of First Samuel. Oh, God bless you. Bless the people. Look at verse 5. And when his armor bearer saw that Saul was dead, he fell likewise upon his sword and he died with him. Have you seen? And when his armor bearer saw that Saul was dead, he fell likewise upon his sword and died with him. Go to 2 Samuel chapter 1 quickly. Or 1 Samuel chapter 1. And David lamented with this lamentation over Saul and over Jonathan his son. And he bade them teach the children of Judah the use of bow. Behold, it is written in the book of Jasher. Tell it not in Gath, publish it not in the streets of Askelon, lest the daughters of the Philistines rejoice, lest the daughters of the uncircumcised triumph. Verse 21, ye mountains of Gilboa, let there be no dew, neither let there be rain upon you, nor fields of offerings, for there the shield, the defense of the mighty is finally cast away. The shield of Saul has told he had not been anointed with oil. Lift up your face and put your heads down and close your eyes. Mighty and everlasting Father, I hand over this section of this service into your mighty hand. Make it short, make it sharp, and let it penetrate into somebody's spirit. Somebody will go back home engaging the elements of nature to walk in his or her favor. Amen. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. 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 I'm sure many of you are familiar with the story of Saul. Every Bible student, even if you did Christian religious knowledge or Christian religious studies, whichever one you do, or Bible knowledge, because the nomenclature keeps changing, but the contents remains the same. You must have heard of the man called Saul. You must have read about the man called Saul. You must have been taught about the man called Saul. History has it that Saul from nowhere rose to become the first king in the history of Israel. And being the first king, he was supposed to be a trailblazer. Being the first king, he was so empowered and loved by God. Just like Lucifer, that was created by God, and the word of the Lord tells us that he was perfect in beauty until the day iniquity was found in him. Until the day iniquity was found in him. How many of you know that Lucifer did not commit the sin? And the thought of sin was what ostracized or excommunicated him from heaven. What was the sin? The sin was, I'm going to be like God. Was he like God? Did he rise to become like God? No. But for the fact that he had it in his mind, it was enough to disqualify him from destiny. Am I talking to somebody this morning? I will be like the Most High. I will be like the Most High. He had it on his thought. He was thinking about it. He looked at God's enviable throne. And because God had created him in a special way, the scripture tells us that every part of his body will produce very pleasant sound. He was the king of music. Somebody somewhere said that once upon a time in heaven there were 3 W. W number 1 is the word. W number 2 is warfare. And W number 3 is worship. No wonder Matthew tells us that since the time of John the Baptist, the kingdom of heaven does what? Allows violence. And only